Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today we will learn about compound words. A compound word is made up of two words. Each word is able to stand by itself with its own meaning. The compound word creates a new meaning. Example: goat seller, a person who sells goats. Make a compound word. Look at each picture, write the words that names the picture, then write the words together to make a compound word. Use the word bank to help you. Word bank: house, ball, dog, pot, tea, shell, foot, bow, rain, sea. There are many pictures. This is a dog and it is a house. Dog house. We will make a compound word dog house with the help of picture. It is a sea and shell, sea shell. Tea pot, tea pot. Rain bow. Football. Allah Hafiz.